I'm going to show you how to log into the Life Advisor Wellbeing Portal. On the Wellness Warriors website, you'll see green portal login buttons, or you can visit wsu.lifeadvisorwellness.com. You may have a login already if you've completed the HRA for Wellness Warriors. It's your banner ID or your Access ID at wayne.edu email. If you've never logged in before, click Send My Password. If you need help, click over here. We encourage you to complete your health assessment when you first get going. To do so, click My Dashboard. Scroll down to My Assessments and click the yellow arrow at WSU Health Assessment 2021. You may also want to start completing 5 to Thrive items. Simply click to get going. There are 5 wellness pillars in 5 to Thrive: emotional, physical, financial, career, and community. Within each of the pillars, there are 10 to-do items. Click Flip Me to get going. When you're ready to do a to-do item, simply click and it will ask you to enter dates or what you did to complete the item. We encourage you to watch this video to learn more about 5 to Thrive. Within the portal, you'll see these items at the top that can guide you to new resources. We encourage you to take a look around. My Dashboard is always a good place to go to learn about how you're doing. If you've earned rewards, you'll see them here. When you complete the health assessment, your wellness coaching, or 5 to Thrive items, you'll see your rewards here, and this is where you will redeem them. If you have questions, contact Uliance or the Wellness Warriors program at wellness@wayne.edu.